Good day, ladies and gents. I am Ms. Holland. I'm a geometry teacher down the hall. I am in room 232, and I am here to help you out in learning geometry. So at the moment, you do not have an official geometry teacher, so I will be helping you with those lessons. So I will come see you every day in your class at either the 45-minute mark or the 60-minute mark, just to see how you guys are going. So if you want to talk to me, just wait for those times or swing by my classroom anytime you like. Okay, so at the moment, you guys are either sitting in groups or will be moved into groups very soon. And each group is going to have a folder. And this is where you're going to keep all of your stuff. You're going to, anything that you're handed in class, you're going to keep it in here. And then this folder is also going to remain in the classroom. So it's not going to leave the classroom ever. So this will be the folder for Unit 0 for your particular group. So right here, you're going to, with marker, so nice and bold, you're going to put down the name that you want the teacher to call you. So, for instance, Joshua B, he goes by Josh, so he wants to put Josh, and then you put your first letter of your last name right here, so we can take attendance that much quicker. Madeline goes by Maddie, so Maddie H. Christopher S. So Christopher, he does not go by Chris. He goes full on, wants to be called Christopher. So Christopher S. Excuse me. Okay, and then Rose Sophia. Sorry, she doesn't go by Rose. She goes by Sophia. So she put her middle name, and that's what she wants to be called. And her last name starts with an M. Okay, so each day. So Tuesday is already finished. So today is Wednesday. You guys are going to you guys are going to sign your name if you guys are here and you're putting your stuff in this folder. So full on sign your name. So MH is not good enough. So you have to full on sign your name every day. This will be very important for attendance. Really helps us out. So make sure you have this. Also, we're going to leave this at the corner of the desk for a couple of reasons. One, to help the teacher as they circulate the classroom, but also for the other members of your group so they know who is in the group so they can call you by your name. So that's really nice. So everything's going to stay in here. Now, what's going to be going in this folder? Well, everything that was handed out to you. So what was handed out so far? We have these things so far, which is your baseline and also the packet. So the baseline, for the next 20 minutes, you guys are going to be working on this baseline. So you're going to try all the problems on your own. If you don't know how to do something, circle it. I know it's going to be like every problem circled, but that's okay. That's totally okay. So if you're having problems with busting out a problem, then check with the members of your group. Talk it through. Try to figure out if you guys can do it together, and that's totally cool. Once you guys are finished with this, after 20 minutes, you're going to watch another video, and it's going to be me going over these problems. And you're going to put a check mark if it's right, and you're going to put an X when it's wrong. An X, and then, trying to figure out if you can figure that problem out, and then write down the correct work to back that up. So very important that you're trying to learn on how to do this. Make sure you put you guys' names on it. Okay. Then you're going to watch another video. So 3 videos so far. So then, after I go over those problems, then you are officially caught up with all the other geometry classes. So you guys are going to get the next lesson, which is on this packet. Now this packet, you're going to get a packet all for Unit 0. So this is the packet all for Unit 0. And if you look here, we have the pages. So that says page 1, and then there's says page 2, and then there's page 3, so on and so forth. So in the video, we have this page right here. Page 1 and 2 is the notes. So I'm going to go over those problems. Then I'm going to post the answers to the practice. So just the answers. So you're getting practice with this. So you're going to have the answers paused on the screen, and you're going to try these problems out and seeing if you're getting the right answer. If you're not, check with the members of your group and or check with the teacher that's roaming around and circulating and helping anybody who is struggling with these problems. Okay, once you are done with all that, you finish the practice, you got this, then you're going to go to page 4, the home learning. Now, it's called home learning, but you're not taking this home. You're not doing it. hopefully you guys have your laptops. So what you're going to do is you're going to try busting out all of these problems. So all 8 problems, and then you can do one of 2 things. One is at the link below the video on this particular lesson, there is a form. So click on that link, go to that form, and type in all your answers. So once you get all 8 done, type in your answers and see what grade you got. Or you can go to your teacher who has all the answers and they can tell you what grade you got. And that's it for that. Okay, so then we're going to repeat that process again tomorrow with pages 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then this last page, what's this last page here? That's the activity that we're going to be doing a couple days from now. So I think that's Friday. Okay, so you're going to be doing an activity. And it's a big blank page, so you're going to be, so these triangles, you're going to be piecing them together. So see how that says X, you're trying to figure out, like, it's X equals, like when you bust out that problem, X equals whatever, and then you're going to try to find, oops, not that one, that says Z equals 31. It's definitely like that because it's supposed to be X equals. So you're going to be piecing things together. So let's say it was X equals 7, so they would piece together like that, and you would just keep going. I don't think it's -7. I was just putting that out there. Okay, so you're gonna be like, okay, number 1, I'm busting out this problem right here. Number 1, here's my work, and that was my final answer. Now your number 1 may not be the same as someone else's number 1. It's just basically scratch paper. You got front and back. Just put all your work. Remember, no work, no credit. So make sure you put the work down. Okay, and that's it. Hopefully that helps you guys out. So that was just our opening video. Now you guys are going to work for the next 20 minutes on your baseline. So work with the members of your group on this baseline, and also make sure you guys fill out your group folder. Put your name on there and sign that you are here. All right. Have a great day. Bye.